I don't know who needs to hear this, but I know that there are million of people out there who think the way I think. So I'm just asking for 6 minutes, 7 minutes of your time to hear what I'm going to say now. You know, it's so funny that other people care about your marks. Like I laugh at it sometimes because that person who is telling me, oh, bichara, bichari, you got 85%, 89%, अच्छी कॉलेज नहीं मिलेगी. भाई आपको क्या पता है मेरी जिंदगी के बारे में? Like, what do you know who I am? Do you know what are my likes and dislikes? Why are you just going around and saying, oh, नहीं आया? Like, it's annoying, but it's so funny. I laugh at it every time. And you know, people say कि dumb people say कि one piece of paper doesn't define your life, but it's actually true. Like, think about it practically. मुझे आप बोलो, जो बंदा नेशन में से टॉप मारा है, जो 500 लाया है, 99% लाया है, क्या किया है उन लोग ने? Like, is their life perfect? Have they become like the most independent person in the world? Like, no, right? Most of the people still live on their parents' money. Not against it, but I'm just putting it out there that marks really don't define you as a person. And especially that, you know, Indian education system, it's very controversial, but this is my opinion, completely my thoughts. I'm just ranting it out because I don't know what has happened to me today. But Indian education system is just a medium to see जो कौन सबसे अच्छा रट्टा मार सकता है. Like, that's the most raw and ugly way to put it forward, but it's the truth. Like, रट्टा मारना, like, जो सबसे ज़्यादा रट्टा मारेगा, they'll top. And the people with the most brainy brains, with the most application, analytical and critical minds, what they'll get 85, 90, which is very good. But no, अगर आपको 95 से कम आया तो आप dumb हो. Like, society has literally made this a thing, which is, bro, like, I laugh at it. I really don't, like, it's funny. Like, bro, how can you all be so dumb? एंड यू नो, मेरा एक लाइफ में ये सिंपल मोटो, ये सबके लाइफ का एक ये मोटो होना चाहिए. एक कान से सुनो, दूसरे कान से निकालो. लोग का काम है कहना, वो कहेंगे, हमें सुन लेने का. बिकॉज only you know what's going on in your life. You know what's the life you have planned. And I'm sure that this generation isn't dumb to just leave their life in the hands of God. No, I know you all are thinking you all have big plans, all those business ideas, you all have it in you. And this generation is going to kill it out there. And I think the people are just so jealous कि हमको कुछ पता नहीं था 15 साल में, आपको भी पता नहीं होना चाहिए. Like, I don't know if you can get me, but I hope you can. I'm loving this ranting session, by the way. So they don't see the vision that we do, and honestly, that's completely fine. And they don't even need to see the vision that we are seeing. Don't argue, don't explain, just don't announce your next moves. Just let it be there, because only you know at the end of the day what you want and what you're thinking. So just stay quiet, work in private, and grow in silence. This is the most important line. Like, listen to this carefully. One day, instead of showing them what you're capable of personally, let them see it by the life you're living. Let your life speak words. Let your life speak so loud that their doubts don't even matter. I'm telling you, this generation is going to kill it out there. Believe in yourselves. Be rebellious. Trust your instincts. I know you all know what you want to do. Just trust it. Believe in yourself. And yeah. Bye, girls.